Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for being here. I'm Heather, and today I'm going to tell you all about the most delicious recipe I've made and tasted. All right, so today we're making cucumber shrimp peanut salad. Here's what's going into it: cucumbers, shrimp, peanuts and peanut dressing, and avocado. A little bit of basil if you've got that around too. So this salad recipe is so dang good and easy to make. We simply cook up the shrimp in the oven. You could do it on the stovetop too if you wanted to, whatever's easiest for you, or you could even get pre-cooked shrimp to make it even easier. We chop up our cucumber, chop up our avocado, make a quick and easy peanut dressing. Think peanut sauce, because it's the tastiest thing ever, but a little bit thinner into a dressing. And we put it all together, and you guys, it's so flavorful, so delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. So here's how we make it. Take a look. I hope you're as excited about this one as I was eating all of it. I made it and I legit I ate like half of it. It's so good. So if you try it, let me know. I want to hear what you think about the recipe, how it goes for you. Definitely leave a thumbs up on this video, comment down below, and you can find the full recipe, the printable recipe, over on the blog. You'll find the link down below. All right, see you guys later.